to ensure that transfer routes are kept clear of obstacle and the work area is prepared for installation. The supervisor performs checks on the storage area, the route to the installation location, and the installation area itself. Workers are briefed by the supervisor about the normal standard size and weight of a panel, the installation location, any hazards, and the necessary control measures. The supervisor also emphasizes on pinch point dangers when handling these panels. Finally, how to use the 30-30-30 observation technique to maintain constant situational awareness. This method necessitates a safety check by any worker on the job site. Worker needs to ensure that 30 meters radius around him is cleared of hazard for 30 seconds at all times. He is required to ensure that 30 meters above him is safe and cleared to perform his work task. The 30-meter height check may not be applied if the worker is on the job site or in a protected facility. Personal protective equipment or PPE is strictly required before commencing any work task and work site at all times. The supervisor inspects the equipments, electrical tools or machineries, such as the flatbed trolley, work platform, and high-powered drill, to make sure they are in good working order and safe to use. Before commencing the work process, barricade and warning signs around the work area must be set up. The supervisor explains how to properly cut the AAC panel to the right size, using the appropriate work platform and cutting tools. Workers load the panel from the storage site onto a flatbed trolley under the supervision of the supervisor and transport it to the installation location for installation. Alternatively, forklift operator will transport the pallet of AAC panel to the installation site. During the transportation, forklift operator will carefully maneuver the pallet in a slow and steady motion to ensure the AAC panels are in good condition and delivered to the installation site. Supervisor ensures that the route is clear and remind workers to transport the panels slowly. Workers receiving panels at the installation site, with one worker ensuring that the panels are in good condition. Before commencing the work process, barricade and warning signs around the work area must be set up. A minimum of 2 workers will lift the panel vertically. Workers must support the panel at all times to prevent it from toppling. Secured in place with wedges. Keep fingers away from the pinch point area. Platform should be positioned away from the line of fire. As an example, the panel should not topple onto the platform. Flatbed trolley should be moved away to avoid obstructing the work area and creating a trip and fall hazard. Next, examine the panel alignment. Begin inserting the wedges for both top and bottom of the panel. Tie brackets are installed at the top and bottom of a panel. Workers can only release the panel after the brackets have been securely fastened to the panels. The supervisor will ensure and advise the completion of the process. To further reinforce the panel in place, mortar will be applied to the joint region. While waiting for the mortar to dry, warning signs will be posted to prevent access that may disrupt the process. The final step is for workers to clean up the area and prepare for the next panel installation.